Small mistakes can change the meaning of your sentences, but don't worry, these easy tips will help you write smarter and sound more professional. Number 1. Master subject-verb agreement. Your subject and verb must always match in number whether it's singular or plural. When the subject is singular, the verb usually ends with s. For plural subjects, it doesn't. Number 2. Use the correct verb tense. Verb tenses show when something happened, past, present, or future. You must stay consistent and don't switch tenses unless the time frame changes. Number 3. Watch your sentence fragments. A complete sentence must have a subject and a verb and express a full thought. If your sentence starts with because, although, since, or when, make sure it connects to a complete idea. Number 4. Use punctuation correctly. Punctuation marks help your reader understand your meaning and tone. Use commas for pauses, periods to end sentences, and semicolons to link related ideas. Number 5. Avoid run-on sentences. A run-on sentence joins too many ideas without proper punctuation. Use a period, semicolon, or connecting words such as and, because or but to separate ideas. Number 6. Be careful with commonly confused words. Some words sound similar but mean very different things. Read your sentence out loud. If it sounds wrong, it probably is. Number 7. Read your writing aloud. Reading your sentences aloud helps you hear mistakes your eyes might skip. If something sounds awkward or confusing when spoken, it probably needs fixing. Lastly, number 8. Practice, don't just study. Grammar improves most when you use it regularly, not just memorize rules. Try daily journaling, writing prompts, or short essays. Then review them using grammar tools or feedback. Looking for reels designed to help you learn while having fun? Follow for more.